welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Emmy Nation. It's your girl Em, and I'm back once again with another good video for you guys. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give a big thumbs up to the video, comment down below, and please turn on the post notification so that you'll get to be notified every single time I upload any video. So guys, today I'm going to be giving you a simple cooking video for you guys. Maybe when you're making dinner or breakfast, let me say if you guys do eat breakfast for this. So I'm going to be giving you tips on how to make a simple dinner for your friends, for your family, for yourself, and please just get something to eat and sit down. Keep watching. Before going to the video, guys, I'm going to be cooking something good. This one, it's called Chinese noodles, Chinese chow mein, right? So we're going to get our pot on the fire so that the water gets to start boiling. I put my water on. While the water is boiling, guys, I'm going to be cutting the vegetables. So when you're making the Chinese noodles, you need to have different vegetables. It depends on the vegetables you're going to eat. So I'm going to be using my carrots, my onion, I have my lettuce, green pepper, and spring onions. So you guys, you might be having different vegetables. It has to be upon your choice on the vegetables you want to use, right? So I'm going to be chopping my vegetables as the water is boiling, and we get this going. So guys, we're going to get our noodles and put in the cold water. You don't have to boil it too much for like 5 minutes because you need it to be hard, not so salty. So we're going to put our water. Five minutes, guys. Only 5 minutes. So as we have our vegetables, you have to chop them into this shape, like that shape one. But me, I prefer this one. We have our carrots, our onions, my spring onions, and the green pepper, and the lettuce. You chop it in the same size as the other vegetables, and lastly we have the chicken. You have to get the chicken breast. It has to be part of the ingredients. So here's our chicken. Chicken breast.
Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end.
Right, guys, so our chicken is done. We have our noodles. Like, you remove the hot water out of it and you add the cold water to make them not so squishy. And then after, we're going to make our chicken, like mix the vegetables all together, and you get a good taste out of it, right? So we want to first make the chicken, because you know it's a bit hard to other compared to other vegetables. Put on the chicken on the fire. I'm not going to use too much spices, guys, because I hate spices. Just put some. Look at my sauce, my salt, and vegetables, and we're good to go. So you have to use each other spices you have. For me, I'm going to use those little ones, and they will make a good meal out of it. Okay, guys, our chicken is so ready. Now check this. It has to be a little bit brown, as you see this one. So when it comes to brown, you have to put your I'll start with the onions. You don't have to make them so. Just get a little bit, then you add another vegetable. So after my onions, then I'll add my carrots. Guys, I wish you can taste this, but let's wait for the finished result. I'm going to add my green pepper and spring onions for this stem. For the other little of them later when it's done, I'll add all of it. It's very, very well.
Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's
So proud of myself.
holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.
So we're going to let this cook for like 5 minutes to 6 minutes. And then we add our noodles and we put our sauce and we're ready. So this is going to cook for like 6 minutes. And
another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should
no more
take a
salt,
leap
guys.
of faith
I
and face
added enough
my
salt.
fear. I
So
blame
I'm
it
going
on
to
the
keep this
voices
cook
that
for
are in
5
my
minutes because
head,
when it's now done,
wondering if they'll ever
cover
be
it up.
to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end.
Cover it up.
Holding out, but I'm about to blow it
Come
up
on, check
like
this.
a volcano.
You have to make sure it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like that. Not too much cooked and not so much hard. You add your vegetables because these ones they get cooked easily, so you add them last. After you add them, I'm really liking this one. After you add them, you mix. You don't have to worry about these greens one because you eat them even when they're like that. So even if they're cooked or not cooked, we're still good to go. But I think this thing is too small for me, but I will use it. After I put them, you get your noodles. You get your noodles and you put them in there. Stop. I just want to dig in right now. See that, guys? Now I'm going to mix my sauce with a little bit of water and mix it up to give it the last mix. Let me do this one now. I'll get my water right here, see, and put my dark soy sauce into it. That's enough, and then I put it inside here. Now your food is ready and good to be served. Oh my god. I'm going to keep this on a low fire for 2 minutes and I serve it. You feel free to join me. Why? Now my photographer wants to eat some small and then she wants to see. Looking yum, but the way it looks. So over you not yet cooked. this on a low fire. Good. I'm going to eat, but right now I'm going to give my friend a taste so that she'll tell me how it is. Right?
My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna test this and I'll tell you how.
Like I am close to reaching my wit's end.
So it's kinda,
Take a big bite.
About to
Mix it vegetables and chicken.
yeah, and it's looking yummy. It's kinda hot.
She knows how to do it. She really knows it.
Okay guys, it's kinda hot, like hot.
another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones.
First eat. Let it sit in your stomach. Eat, let it go. Be honest, Amy. Be honest. If it's not good, just tell me it's not good. If it's good, tell me.
Okay guys, I just tested it and
Sorry for it.
it's sweet, like yummy. I love it. Love it.
I told you guys, cook with the elimination and you'll get all of it. So guys, come eat with me and you enjoy it. Thank you guys.